Guys, look at how beautiful that is. That is a smoked chicken and garlic sausage, and stick around, I'm going to show you how to make one. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome back to Blind Little Barbecue. I am Andy. Today we are going to be making some smoked chicken and garlic sausages. They're going to be smoky, they're going to be herby, they're going to be absolutely awesome. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so to start off these sausages then, we are going to need some chicken. So we're going with some skinless, boneless chicken thighs. We're going to need about 1.5 kilograms of the chicken. So get that out of the packet there. Doesn't look the most photogenic, but it's going to be worth it, trust me. So we want to get all that separated. Once that is separated, we're going to make sure that there's nothing left in there that's like any bone, any cartilage. We don't want that in the sausage. You're going to give it a weird texture, and nobody wants a weird textured sausage. So once you've made sure there's nothing in there that you don't want in there, get that chopped up into grinder friendly pieces, and we're going to put that in a bowl, set that aside. So next up we have got some pork shoulder. We don't need quite that much, we need about 675 grams of that, so we're going to cut that down. Same again, we're looking for skinless and boneless. That one has still got its skin on, but it won't have by the time it goes in the bowl. So we're going to get that weighed to the right amount, and then we're going to get that diced up once again into blender or meat grinder friendly pieces. Should look something like that once you finish. Then we're going to add our dry ingredients. So there we've got 40 grams of kosher salt, so we're going to get that whacked in there. Now it looks like a lot, but this is going to make a lot of sausage. You're going to make about 5 pounds worth, so don't worry. Obviously if you don't want that much salt, you don't have to add it. We are also adding in this some pink salt or Prague powder #1. That's going to keep everything nice and safe while we're smoking it. That's only 7 grams there. Make sure you don't use too much and stick to the instructions, because you can have a real bad day if you put too much in. That is 10 grams of coarsely ground black pepper that's going in there as well. That's about 10 grams there. And then some fresh thyme leaves, and just the leaves, no stems, no seeds, no sticks, just the leaves. We're going in there as well, and that's going to add that really deep herbaceous texture to it, and flavour is going to be absolutely amazing. So once you've got the thyme in there as well, we're going to give all of this a mix together there. And also we're adding in there the steam roasted garlic. So that's about 20 grams there. If you want it more garlicky, add a bit more. If you want it less, don't add as much in. So once you've got all the garlic there, we're going to give this a good mix together. Get in there with your spatula, get down and dirty with it. It needs to get everything to get a really good mix on there, so it's all well incorporated. Should look something a bit like this, and that is all going in the meat grinder. So we're going to use the small die on that, get a really nice fine grind on that, get everything mixed together, and then we should have something that looks a bit like this. So we're going to add our wet ingredients. That is 60 millilitres of chicken stock, 60 millilitres of red wine in there. Make sure it's a good red wine, one that you'd actually drink, and again get it all mixed together to get that really uniform consistency. If you've got a stand mixer, use that for about a minute on medium. So then we're going to case it. So we've got our hog casings there, tie a knot in one end. We're going to case that into about 6-inch links. Once they're cased, you can do this all in one go, or you can cut them. Then we're going to get it in that smoke, so on the Weber, about 180 Fahrenheit. And we're going to bring these up to an internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit. Once they're at internal temperature, then we're going to whack them into an ice bath. That's going to shock those casings, so they can give us that nice snap, that good bite when we're eating these as well. And that's going to give us that texture that we want as well. Once they've all been in the ice bath and cooled, we can then heat them back up again. So the end result looks something like this. We've got that amazing colour, we've got that amazing texture. Just look at that. Tell me you don't want some of that. It's absolutely amazing. Give it a try. Just look at how much juice is left in there as well. So they're really awesome with pretty much anything. And just look at the juice in there. Get a nice slice on that. If you do like what we're doing here, that's the end of the video basically. Don't forget to leave us a like, leave us a comment. Obviously hit that subscribe button as well, and that notification bell. And that's it, I'm out.